Hi, everybody. This is the first time I'm doing live here on the group. It was unannounced, but we'll see if anybody see it and show up for this video. So I decided to do the live instead of recording and posting, so I could see if anybody wants to join me and ask me any questions about how this challenge is going to be. So for the month of January, we're going to focus on paper. So it's going to be all about paper management. And today for our first challenge, it's going to be mail. So I have a couple ideas of how to deal with mail when you bring all those things that are in your mailbox inside your house. So first idea that I have that you could use to organize is just to have a simple basket. You can choose the material that you like, and that's one thing good about organization. You don't need to have like a really big budget to organize. You can organize with any decor, with any, I see that there's somebody online, so I can't see who it is, but if you say hi, I will say hi back to you. Anyways, so a basket is a great ideal for mail. So whenever you get all the mail in your mailbox, just bring it in, put it in a box. And if you don't have time to deal with it right away, just do like once a week, maybe. It's a good idea. I usually do with my husband on weekends because he is the one that gets most mail. He pays the bills and everything, so he gets most of it. So once a week, we go through this box. We actually have on our command center by the kitchen. And that's a good place for us to keep it, all our mail. So like Sunday night, maybe it's a good time for you, or Saturday, or the day that you don't have the kids around, just sit on your living room and go through your mail and deal with it. Another idea that you could do is right away you can have, for example, shredding a machine next to your command center. And whenever you get junk mail that you know right away is junk mail, just shred it or put it in the recycling bin and make the time to deal with paper. Because paper, if you don't deal with them, you know, like they multiplicate it and then like piles like on your dining room table. So think about that. Another thing that I usually like to use, you can have like hanging folders. And you can have like things that you want to read. So all the magazines, you can put it in the reading magazine. We're going to talk about magazines and newspapers later this month, but just to keep in mind. And another thing you can do are the bills that you can, like, you know, that it's a bill, you can put it right away in the file and deal with it later. Try to create also one of these manila folders just for your paper management, like envelopes and stamps that you have. So whenever you have to pay a bill, it's right there, it's easy to find, and you can deal with it. Let me see, what else do I have here that I want to talk to you. Oh, school papers. So whenever your kid come home with like assignments and things, create one of these manila folders just for them. So whenever you have anything school related, you can put it there right away, and it's easy to find, and it's not going to get mixed up with all of other mail that you get. So today is all about mail, as I said, and you can think about it, and that's it. I hope you guys can, if you have any question in the future, I see that there are like 1 or 2 people online right now. I didn't announce that I was going to do this. It was out of the blue, and and if you have any questions about how to deal with mail, you can send me a message on the group, and I will be happy to talk to you about it. For this whole week, if you have any pictures of what you did with your mail, how you decided to organize, if you're going to do a box that you're going to go through it once a week, or how you're going to do it, post a picture so like we can comment and see how it goes. And one more thing that I want to mention is on my website, thisorganized.com. I have a page with like shop my favorites. So you will find a lot of things to manage your mail. There are like magazine holders that you can put on your wall there that you can take a look at. There are some like pretty manila folders and that I think you can make things pretty too, right? It's just not like function, but make things good to your eyes. And this involves everything that we talked about yesterday on the workshop about creating a command center. So that's a good idea. And I'm very happy for those who showed up despite all this crazy weather that we're having. So you can check my website for some idea for products. And thanks for watching. And if you have any question, let me know. See you soon. Bye.